Hello, my dear VIP members. Hopefully everyone can see me. Let me know in the chat section if you can see me. So this is a VIP only session and we'll discuss some important stuff today. Very important stuff, including our running trade and some of my strategy that I developed. So we'll discuss that also. We'll learn something very important today. So let me know in the chat section who are on the chat so that I know that you are here. I saw that Jamal Khan is here. That's great. Everyone write down on the chat area so that I know that everyone is here. I know I'm apologize for yesterday because yesterday actually I had something very urgent and I had to go out of this place and I couldn't figure out what to do. So I just need to leave yesterday. So first of all, I'll leave this recording in the VIP area so that if anyone couldn't join, then you can come and later you can watch that. So all the recordings will be there. We can see. Time was not mentioned. I was waiting. Okay, sorry. Time actually in the if you see the live session on the YouTube, you should find time on the screen that after how many minutes should. I thought that's why I didn't mention the time because it's already there on the screen. Anyway, so next time I'll mention the time as well. So first of all, let's find out what we will be doing with dollar yen trade. Okay, so let me tell you that what we will be doing with the dollar yen trade. Now dollar yen trade, I think that dollar yen will still fall. Okay, now we know that still we are in profit. Now the rest will be depending on you what you want to do, but for me I will still close it now with I will still be hello Pawan, thank you for joining. So I will still be running dollar yen trade, but as I told you, it could even create a bullish pattern from here. So I will still be running until I take the full profit where I have given the profit target. So now if you two things you can do. One thing, you can move your so if you wanna make sure that you get the profit 100%, regardless of the what is called the profit target we have. So if you wanna take the secure the profit anyway, then I will say that you can place if you take your profit target here just above this 20 period moving, let's say 129.57, then it should come and hit your profit target. Okay, this is one option. For me, I will wait until I get 1 to 3 risks to reward. Okay, otherwise I will not take it. That's my condition. But it has a risk as well. It may anytime it's a bullish market, it may start to run from here and may eat up all the profit like the Euro AUD did. But I will not compromise in it because the otherwise you'll not be profitable. So what I will do is I will keep running dollar yen trade, either hitting my full profit or taking me out of the trade. I will not change anything. So for you, if you wanna, as I told you, if you wanna think that okay, I don't wanna give up the profit, then you can bring, as soon as the market open, after the spread become normal, you can bring your take profit target at 129.574 and the price should come down at least to this level to hit you profit target. And then if it goes up, it doesn't matter. If it goes down, doesn't matter. You are close the trade with good profit. Another thing you can do, this is another option, is you can bring your stop loss just where there is an entry and leave your profit target here where we have given the full profit. So in that option, one thing can happen that it may go up, take you out of trade without any loss, but if it goes down, it will give you full profit. So these are the two options. I'm repeating again. One option is keep your stop loss where it is. Okay, take your profit target here. So if you bring your profit target here, you can say the 95% possibility that it will come down and give you the profit. One option. Another option is bring your stop loss at the entry and keep your profit target as it is. So in that case, you will not lose anything if it goes up, but if it goes down, you'll get a full profit. Third option is bring your profit target here, take your stop loss at entry. In that case, high probability you will get the profit, high, and there is no risk. So that these are the three options. But what I will be doing is I will not change anything, neither the entry nor the stop loss. I will leave it as it is. Either I will get 3 times profit or I will get 1 time loss. So that is my plan. Let me know if you did not understand Kakulan. Thank you for joining. Rubel, thank you. I think apology for yesterday. Actually, I was out emergency for one important reason. So I have given an update on dollar yen for those who join later. Have you understood what I said about dollar yen? What we will be doing? If you didn't understand, let me know in the chat area. I will repeat again, or at the end of this session you can just watch a couple of minutes in the first, then you will know what I said about dollar yen. Okay, so this is what we will be doing. Dollar yen, either you can take profit or you can bring your stop loss here, or you can keep as it is. It depends on what you want. So this is dollar yen gone. After dollar yen gone, we don't have any other running trade. We'll see next week. So now the next thing is gold. Okay, so gold we might find a good trading opportunity tomorrow. I think that gold will reverse from here. That's what I believe. You see, this is the weekly and it has created a very long week candle. I think dollar yen, gold will come down to this level. Let's say around, if I go to the daily, so this week it might just go consolidate, but finally gold will create a reversal pattern. So we'll try to find a long trade on gold, but initially we have to be very, very careful, because at any point market condition may change. Okay, so we have quite a few to take trade to take tomorrow, including gold and euro AUD. Okay, euro CAD. Euro might get stronger, looks like getting stronger. Next month euro will get a bit stronger. Okay, so let's find out what happened. Because after tomorrow market opens, then we will know exactly what is going to happen, and I will definitely update you about everything. Now, another important thing today I want to mention is that for those who have access to website, good news, I have really incredible strategy that I'm going to upload by this month. I was working for them for a very long period of time, so I'll give you a quick glance of what the strategy is. First of all, one strategy is called a first bounce, and this strategy, all this strategy are day trading and scalping strategy. So for those who have the website access, you will have everything free. Okay, so one strategy which is called the first bounce strategy. Okay, in this first bounce strategy, there will be day trading and scalping strategy. Both are very high probability. I will do back testing. I will upload everything. Okay, so let me quickly give you an idea what is first bounce strategy. I cannot explain the strategy now, but I will give you the idea, but I will upload everything on the website. So let me tell you what is first bounce strategy. The first bounce strategy is this. Okay, is that, say, let's say you see there, this is blue is a 20 period moving average, this red is a 10 period moving average. Ali, thank you Ali for joining. So you see, after this is the 4-hour time frame. You see now what happened, this blue and red 20 period and 10 period moving average, after the change of this trend, they are separated, right? They are separated from each other. Now what happened, they became separated and separated and separated, and the trend was coming down and down and down for a very long period of time. It's 4 hours, means like not couple of days, but at certain period of time. What happened, the market never touched this 20 period moving average starting from here, right? Now the first bounce, according to the first bounce strategy, that when this 20 period moving average will be touched for the first time, there will be a certain bounce, and this first bounce strategy is almost 99% accuracy in it. So what will happen in the so when you see this kind of level has not been tested for a long time, when it will go for a first test, it will have a huge bounce the first time. Which time? Let's say you saw that it didn't test this one for in the 4-hour time frame for a long period of time. Then what we'll do, I will explain everything in the strategy, but what we will do, we'll go to the lower time frame and we will find a specific entry criteria to trade this first bounce. So the concept is that any important level, first time will be tested, will have a bounce, and that is the concept of the strategy. We'll have a bounce is almost 100% of the time, and this strategy is developed based on this concept. Slim Tree, good morning everyone. Slim, how are you? So this is the concept. This is about not only about 20 period moving average, any kind of important level of support, resistance. It is on the daily, on the weekly, on the 4-hour. You see everywhere, you see the first time a 20 period moving average has not been tested for certain period of time, there will have a bounce in the first time. You see everywhere, you see there has been a long time it didn't test it. Here you see there is a bounce. Look at this here, the long time it didn't test it, first time tested, there is a bounce. You see long time it didn't test it, first time tested, there is a bounce. So this is very accurate strategy, and this is daily, right? But we will trade on the 5 minutes. So this is going to be a day trading strategy, and all people who have the lifetime access to the website, this month I will upload them. You all have this access. It's a huge change, huge addition to the lifetime access plan. And also there will be scalping strategy based on this first bounce. Okay, so there is a huge thing coming to the website. So this is one important thing that we will be uploading this strategy. Now for those who join later, again I'm repeating for dollar yen. So dollar yen, who missed the dollar yen update at the end of the session, please watch first 5 minutes back or 5-6 minutes. You will find what did I say about dollar yen. So dollar yen, either you can close with profit, I told you, you can repeat, or you can keep continuing to see what happened. So this is with dollar yen. And about the strategy, as I told you, gold, we might find a bull opportunity. So one important thing that this upcoming week, you see there are some news release, NFP, and this week is very important. Okay, keep in mind that, you see calendar, there are 3 kind of strategy I'm bringing. I'll tell you. One is, as I told you, fast bounce. Another one is price action and news candle. There is a huge correlation between price action and the news candle. That is also I'm preparing, will be uploading on the website very soon. So next week, you see there is a huge news release, NFP, ADP, you know, the non-farm payroll and many other pairs. We will have a good trading, very good trading opportunity. Make sure all of you know how to manage risk. This is the main thing that I want from you. For those who joined newly, I already teached it, but I'm telling again, if you don't know how to calculate the lot size, go to Forex Factory. Okay, Forex, pardon me, MyFXBook, www.myfxbook.com. It's a free website. Okay, myfxbook.com. Go to this website. It's a free, and then after you go to this website, go to the Forex calculator, position size calculator. Once you go to the position size calculator, it's a free website. Then if you need to take a trade, go to this, select this currency pair, your account currency, account size. If it is account size is 1000, let's say 1000. If your risk is 2% or 1%, drop it, and then a stop loss, let's say you have 30 pip stop loss. If you put it there, calculate, it will give you how much lot to buy or sell. It's very important that you know how to calculate the lot size, and also you need to know how to place pending orders, buy limit, sell limit, buy order, sell order. So these are very important basic things everyone needs to know. Is that a strategy for any pair? Okay, this strategy is applicable in everywhere. Okay, everywhere. Okay, not only for any specific pair. it is applicable. See, the one that I'm telling, news candle and price action, is specific. Okay, so what will happen, that let's say USD CAD has a news release, right? Now I observed this very long time, and I found an incredible correlation with the news candle. Not at the same time, but there is a pattern I found that incredibly accurate. So what will happen, let's say USD CAD has a news release next week or maybe tomorrow. Now that pair will behave in a certain way. So what will happen, if you know this strategy, then you will well ahead, you will know that there will be a candle in a specific time, certain kind of candle that will give you almost 100% trading opportunity. That is what you will make money from. And this is a big strategy. This is you can say the fundamental and technical mixed up. It's a complete strategy based on news and price action combination. This is one. Another strategy, as I told you, I'm calling the first bounce. See, first bounce is, again I'm explaining for those who knew just now you joined. So the first bounce strategy that I will upload on website is, I'm explaining the not the full strategy but the concept. Let's say you have a moving average like this. Okay, let's say like this. All right, this is 10 period, this is 20 period. Okay, now let's say this is daily time frame. Okay, this is a day trading and scalping strategy. Okay, this is daily time frame. All right, now when you see that this moving average separated from each other in a specific way like this, and long time this moving average, this 20 period has not been tested, when it will be first time tested, there will have a bounce. And that is the concept behind the strategy. Now how you will be trading is the strategy will explain, and this is, you can say that 100% accurate strategy. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing is, not only this 20 period moving average, any kind of valuable level that I will specify in the strategy that will give you huge trade. So you every day you will find trade. Okay, so what we will be doing in this strategy, we will use some confluence to find out every day some kind of area of value, and then we will focus on that pair. Let's say today you might find one pair is giving you trade on this strategy. It's a day trading, forget about everything, focus on that pair on the lower time frame, maybe on 5 minutes. Okay, so in this 5 minutes, so we have both scalping as well as day trading strategy that I will be uploading on the website, and there will be a lot of change in the content. I'm bringing huge content on the website. For those who are in lifetime access, you will get everything over again. So make sure you always manage your risk. Don't blow out so that you quit trading before it bounce in both direction. No, bounce in one direction. Okay, that's the thing, bounce in one direction. So that is what I will explain. Okay, bounce in not in both direction, in one direction. So that's what it is. You'll see in clear how it goes. Trek says awesome concept. Yeah, can't wait to try this out. Yeah, of course, I love scalping. I got too emotional with holding trade more than a day. No problems, Trek. I will have everything, including scalping, day trading, but you need to, and also you need to master the trading psychology. There will be a lot of content based on trading psychology as well, and also this one that I'm telling, that the price action and news release, there will be a correlation between them, and there will be a strategy. All this strategy will be back tested, will be given everything with back testing, and we'll have a good time in the future. In the meantime, for those who join later, as I told you, we are running the dollar yen trade, and for me, what I will do is I'm explaining, then what you can do. Also, I'm giving all the options. I'm starting off the section I told you, again I'm repeating. So dollar yen 4-hour time frame, it came according to our plan, but it didn't hit our stop take profit yet. Again went above. So from here there are two possible scenarios. Dollar yen could go up or could come down, hit our profit target. So let me give you three options that you can do. The first option, the conservative option, if you want to secure profit on dollar yen before doing anything, then I would say that you can place your take profit at, let's say, 157, not 155, 157, okay, around 157, okay. Then you can say that certainly you should be triggering your profit target before making any move, okay. It should come down again. So this is one place you can place your take profit target if you want to take the profit out of the table. Another option is bring your stop loss at the entry, okay, and then leave it. Either it will go eat your profit target, profit will not make you loss, or it will go down from here, give you full profit, 1 to 3 weeks to reward is second option. Third option is keep your entry profit target, bring your profit target at 129.57 and also bring your stop loss at entry. In that case, if it goes up, you will not lose anything. If it come down, you will get some profit. So that are the three options, but this one will be a high probability that the price must come at 129.57 to give you the profit. So this is the most conservative way, but to me, I will not do anything. I'll leave it, I'll forget it. That's what I do. I first manage my risk. See, if any one of you can do that set and forget a strategy is the best. You know what you will do? You will manage the risk, take a big profit target, let's say 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Let's say you risk $50 or $10, whatever your account size. Target is, let's say if it is $50, target is, let's say $150, okay, or whatever, and then leave the trade. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. Let it come here, go there, forget about the trade, okay. So that is the best, because what I saw that the more you look at it, either you will add up or you will close the trade early. That's happened to everyone. So that's why what I do normally, I forget about the trade. I even don't remember that I am on a trade, okay. That is the best way to, over the long time, it will give you a good profit return, okay, with this set and forget a strategy. We talk about the gold as well. So I think that gold might go up next week. So let's see, because it has already created a false breakout of this weekly support, okay. And today, after the this BIP session, maybe 1 hour later, I am releasing a very, very important video specifically on gold. I think Kakulan likes to trade gold. Many of you watch that. In that video, I have explained 3 secrets that gold does over and over again in the market. Make sure you watch that. So this is the thing. Now let me know if any one of you have any question about today's VIP session. Tomorrow, as I have released weekly Forex forecast, there will be new month, new week. So we don't know what might happen. First session I need to see, but keep eye. Maybe I might send a trade signal just at the end of the Asian session, or maybe in the middle of the Asian session, because Monday morning sometimes give a very good trading opportunity. If I see that gold is creating, let's say gold is creating a weakless candle, which is high probability may happen. If I see that gold open with a gap, create a weakless candle at the top, something like that from here, okay, on the 4 hour, then I might send a buy signal for gold, or let's see what happen, okay. So let me know if any one of you have any question. Okay, Jamal asked Usdjpy, if someone wants to make entry tomorrow, what is the best place to? Okay, Jamal, currently Usdjpy doesn't have any entry, okay. I will not, I can't give you any entry, because Usdjpy, because a specific pair give you a some trade kind of entry and then it goes away. So tomorrow we might find a trade on gold, or maybe on Gbpusd, or maybe a USD or Gbpusd, because if it reverse, let's say if Aussie dollar, if it reverse, it might reverse from here, okay. So we might find a trade here. Less probability it will reverse. Aussie dollar, high probability will drop, but let's see. Or NZDUSD, I saw that NZDUSD, all of them, sometime normally after the monthly close, immediately it is started to reverse. So if this is the case, then I'll send trade signal certainly. But let me see first 1-2 candle, then I will understand that which way the market is heading, and then I will send you the trade signal, or even in the London session, or maybe in the New York session. But always keep in mind that Monday morning in the Asian session, normally I try to avoid sending trade signal on Asian session until I find a very good. But last week I missed some good trade because Asian session I didn't send you trade signal as I told you. But I see that especially first day of trading week, Monday morning Asian session gives a very good trading opportunity because everything reverse, new start of the day, new start of the trading. So if I see a high probability trade setup, I will send you. If you miss it, don't worry. If I send a pending order, if I say that don't close pending order until I say it will be valid, okay? So you still can take that trade until I say close. And see, one important thing, if I give you a big profit target, some trade will eat up the profit. There's no way. But over the long time, you will be making more money than anything else. So that's why always we need to keep a big profit target. No way, trust me, no way. There is no other way. Because market, it's not in my hand. Market moves like this, okay? Market moves like this. That's why, let's say, if I entered here, I put a stop loss here, and I give a profit target 1 to 3, the market will not come like so. But over the long term, when you have a bigger profit target, you don't need too many trade to win. You need, let's say, you took 20 trade, okay, 20 trade, you win only 5 trade, 1 to 3 risk to reward, okay, 5 trade. So 5 trade win means 5 into, let's say 3 trade, 3 each trade 3%, 5 trade. So you win 15% after the 20 trade, right? You win 15%, okay? But you took 20 trade. So the other 5 trade, pardon me, okay, I just made, okay, let's repeat again. So you have taken 20 trades, right? 5 trade you have won. So in this 5 trade, if each trade will give you 3%, how many, say if each trade you risk 1%, okay, 1% per trade, in 5 trade, each trade will give you 3%, in 5 trade, you can have 15%, right? So your gain is 15%. No, not in 20 trade. I told you that, let's say, it's too big, too low winning rate. Let's say 10 trade, okay, 10 trade, and you won, let's say 5 trade, okay, 5 trades. So if you won 5 trades with 1 to 3 risks to reward, then what will happen? 3 into 5 is 15%, okay, 15%. Now you have taken 10 trades, so 5 trade you won, 5 trade you lose, okay? So this losing 5 trade will take you 5% from your pocket. So ultimately 15% minus 5%, ultimately you are in 10% gain. And that's how you can become profitable, by holding the trade for a long time. Otherwise, if you become inconsistent, it will have a drawdown. Ultimately, you saw that some of you already trading for a long time, you already know that it doesn't work. So that's why I shouldn't give you a target, small target, to make you just excited and getting some profit. I should give you the way it is. Hello Kyun, thank you for joining this live session and for joining this Gbpusd channel. So Pawin, I believe you in yeah, thank you Pawin. Every one of you wizard, Forex wizard, okay? You are in Forex Wizard Trading Academy, means every one of you are Forex wizard, okay? Believe in yourself. See, my goal is all of you to make a great trader. Everyone have that talent inside you to become a great trader, and every one of you will become a great trader. So also I have decided one more thing, as I told you, for the I think N or N join later. So when we'll finish this session, please repeat the earlier session of this today. I have said something important about dollar yen. For those, as I told you, that I'm developing some new strategy, giving on website. So once I will upload on this new strategy on the website, I know that some of you has bought only 1 year subscription, does not have the lifetime access. So I have decided to give for those who bought 1 year subscription so far on the website, I will give you lifetime access. Okay, this is my gift for you, but only those who already bought, not the new one. For the new one coming, it will be the same. But for those who already bought 1 year subscription, I'll give you lifetime access because I want to give you the strategy that newly I'm developing. So and please repeat this session early so that I said something important. You can use that. Another thing is, yeah, that's it. So tomorrow we'll see new day. This week very volatile. There will be NFP, and you have to be patient. You know what is the power of NFP trading? Let me tell you. Let me show you one trade that I have taken this trade before. See, this is the USD CAD, and I will show you something incredible. That's why I love NFP. Okay, on the NFP we'll find some kind of trade like this. This is USD CAD, and I will show you. I remember still this kind of trades that. Let me show you where it is. You see this trade. This one I took, this one during the NFP. This kind of trade you can find in NFP. You see, it's a huge trade. Pardon me, not this one. This one. Okay, this is the NFP trade. Let me see. This is our EAR strategy. For those who are on the website, this is our EAR strategy. Okay, you see, this hanging man is perfect EAR strategy, and this trade on the day of NFP. Okay, I remember. You say I didn't see the date, but I exactly remember. Let me show you the date. This is 7th of January 2022, right? This candle formed. Let me show you the date because I clearly remember is 7th of January. Let me see, 7th of January 2022. You see, 7th of January, you see, Friday, 7th of January 2022, Friday is the NFP day, and this is the first week of the month. So this kind of trade we might find this next week, pardon me, this week on USD CAD and NEPR. So you have to be patient to take this kind of trade. Make sure you manage your risk, and that's the thing. Yeah. So this all about. Now let me know if any of you have any question. So I will end the VIP only session, and I think N joined new. Many of you have joined new. Let me okay, if you repeat, you will know how to calculate the lot size that I have shown you, and that's it. So tomorrow we'll see some good trade, hopefully. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Then I will end this session today, and hopefully we'll get some awesome trade tomorrow. I'm waiting if you have any question, and then I'll close this session. I think that's all, isn't it? Have any question? Okay, no problem. So I think that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll beat the market. Okay, let's find out what happened. Thank you for joining. We'll see you tomorrow in the meantime, okay, in a live session as well as in the web channel.